Hello there! In this video we'll take a closer look at Sonimus T-Console. The plugin offers two modules, the channel and the bus module. So basically, T-Console is two plugins in one. You can easily switch between the two modules by clicking on the top left icon. It also offers an extensive and very useful mixer section from which all T-Console instances can be controlled. Let's jump right in and try out the console by mixing a song. You should add a T-Console channel as your first insert of every track in your session, and level it by using the fader in the plugin and the view meter. We should level each track to around 0 dB view. It's also okay if the needle touches the red area. This is not generating digital clipping, instead it introduces some pleasant harmonic distortion. We can activate the push control to get more warms. This is also reducing the dynamic range. We can open the extra settings panel where we have even more setting options. Trimmer's drive automatically reduces the output as you increase the gain, meaning the fader knob becomes a drive control. Meter pre places the metering before the saturation. Filters pre places the high pass and low pass filter before the saturation. We can also adjust the mix. And with the out control we can adjust the output level. The plugin also offers analog-like 6 dB per octave high cut and low cut filters. By clicking the in knob we can bypass the saturation. Clicking on fat leads to a more vintage sound. Let's give it a try on the drums. Level it to 0 dB view. Add some warms. Set up the filters. Finally, let's add the drums to a group. Let's also take a look at the bus module. We also have a view meter here. We can choose between 3 crosstalk modes. Vintage for a more evident effect, modern for a less audible effect, and crosstalk off for a clean, isolated sound. We can also calibrate the view meter by clicking on it. Welcome to the T-Console plugin, a meticulously crafted console emulation inspired by the legendary tube-powered console. Originally built in the 1960s, this console was instrumental in shaping the sound of some of the era's legendary artists. The console in early modular desk is revered for its ability to add warmth, presence and natural tube compression to any recording. T-Console brings the iconic sound of this vintage console to your digital audio workstation, inspiring you to infuse your tracks with the same rich, three-dimensional tube character that defined a generation of music. Enjoy using T-Console, and remember, trust your ears and musical taste, they will guarantee the best results. I've inserted T-Console on all tracks of the song, so let's check out the master fader. For this purpose I inserted the plugin on the mix bus and set it to master grouping. Let's adjust the track levels first. A bit more bass for some nice low end weight. Now let's try the drive mode. Let's bring the guitars more to the front. I'll decrease the master gain slightly. Let's check out warm. switch to hot. I prefer warm here. We also have global controls for the saturation and the fade mode here. And let's set the low pass to around 30 Hz, just to clean up some sub-rumble. We can activate or deactivate the fade mode and saturation for the master fader. Let's switch through the crosstalk modes. Crosstalk simulates signal bleed between channels, like in a real analog console. It creates subtle interaction and glue between tracks. I'm honestly a big fan of the T-Console. If you are into analog style mixing inside the box, this is definitely one worth checking out. And if you want to explore another flavor from Sonimus, I also made a full tutorial about the N-Console, so make sure to check that out as well. If you decide to pick a Sonimus plugin, feel free to use my affiliate link and the code COLORFULTONES for 5% off. Many thanks for supporting the channel. Alright, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you liked it, it would be great if you would give me a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. So see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.